Hey everybody, Phil here, shooting a video for a guy that wants to hear the sound test of the radio. So, I don't know if you guys can see me. That's better. So I got the boombox right over here, sitting on the car, and we're gonna crank it up for the song he wanted to hear. And I'll even plug in the speakers a little bit. So this is just a little sound check on the FM cooler. So let's see what happens.
On the Gulf Stream, I hear the south wind moan. The bridge is getting lower, the shrimp boat's coming home. The old man down in the corner slowly turns his head, takes a sip from his whiskey bottle, and this is what he said. I was born in the rain on the Ponce train underneath the Louisiana moon. I don't mind the strain of a hurricane that come around every June. The high black water, a devil's daughter. She's hot, she's cold, and she's mean, but nobody taught her it takes a lot of water to wash away New Orleans. From Chicago, he gonna set that levee right. He said it needs to be at least 3 feet higher. It won't make it through the night. But the old man down in the corner, he said, don't you listen to that boy. The water be down by the morning, and he'll be back to Illinois. Don't mind the strain of a hurricane that come around every June. The high black water, a devil's daughter. She's hot, she's cold, and she's mean, but nobody taught her it takes a lot of water to wash away New Orleans.
Okay everybody, there's the video. Hope you liked it. I'm gonna upload it right now. So this is Phil DIY Boomboxes in Texas. Get to see my Texas here. Y'all have a great day.